Dude, that's him.
One last time, just to try to get like an exact pinpoint. We're gonna probably, it's a little finger right there. He's gonna walk down that finger ridge, and he'll probably fly down on top.
Well, you know what we got to do here, okay? Big boy is up in that tree. He's going to get mouthy this morning, okay? He's been talking, he's been talking, he's been talking. He tells jokes. We chuckle at him. Not today. We're not here to joke, okay? We're down to business. He's going to catch one straight to the face, a number 9, a number 7, a number 2, and about a number 4. We're all going to get some, okay? And then we're gonna beat the hell out of each other, go home, take a nap, eat some breakfast. Colin's gonna go to work, tell everyone how good we are at what we do. And I'm just gonna take all the glory. That's really how it goes. It's how it goes every year. You know, no one wants to admit they ate 9 cans of ravioli, but you ate 9 cans of ravioli. That's about it. DJ, what do you got?
I think you ate 9 cans.
Just want to give a quick shout out to Butterball number 1, Greenfoot himself. Hope you're having fun down there.
Man, really?
Sorry about that.
Yeah, that's on us, brother. We miss you, Butterball. Wish you were here. We need the spirits lifted.
Hey, not everyone's cut from the same cloth.
Yeah,
That's all I'm gonna say.
Some people have to be built common for us to be built different.
Yeah.
He's just not built like us.
Yep. Yep.
Built
You can
common.
say it. You can say it.
really careful.
Yeah.
Because they might come in bunched up too.
Yeah.
Or there just might be two jakes in there.
Try to shoot the strutter if you can. Then no, the last gobble is a jake.
I know.
The third gobble, the one that gobbles last, is a jake.
Brother, the one with the biggest beard and the longest spurs is catching these number 7s to the dome. That furthest one's a jake. The middle one's a
No, it's the one on the left here. He's over here on the left.
Yeah, that last one. It sounds like he's farther. You want some scratch?
It's probably a little early for that, but maybe in a minute they should be.
Teacher thinks one's on the ground right here.
Alright, we'll be careful.
They're on the ground.
No, they're still in the tree. At least those two are.
God, I really hope they didn't glide down to the bottom.
What?
I hope they didn't glide down to the bottom.
Hey, here he comes, Nick. Right to your right a little. Just to the right of your gun barrel. Don't move. Here he comes. Here comes another one. Don't move. They're coming up the hill. He just popped strut. Move your gun to the right a little bit, just barely.
He's behind.
Right, wait. Hey, don't move. Let him come. Here they come. First one's a long beard. Kill him if you can see him.
I can't.
Go. Wait.
What did they see? I think the decoy. Or they saw you or him, I don't know. There's no way he saw me. I think the decoy freaked him out.
Hold on.
I had a window like this big. Do you think he hit one? It felt like it.
Hold on. I don't want. he saw this big blob on the tree right
Dude, you got him. He's flopping now.
Yeah. I thought he did hit him. It looked like he did. Did he get him? Did he get him? Are you serious?
Longbeard. Longbeard.
Let's go, baby.
Longbeard. Set him
Let's
up,
go.
knock him down. Set him up, knock him down.
What's he look like? Oh, yes, baby. Oh, my God. Oh, no way. Dude,
I thought you hit him.
I thought you did too, because I saw something.
I'm sitting there, I'm like, what the heck happened? And then I seen his wings down here flapping. I'm like, I think you got him.
Dude, you got him. He's flopping down. I didn't hear a thing, but then I'm sitting there thinking, I'm like, they don't flop with TSS.
Oh my gosh. No. I'll show you why I think he might have saw us. Because we were both sitting together and my shoulder was off the tree a little bit.
He came through right here.
Dude, they were coming right up onto that trail. 3 of them.
Did you hear me when I said, right down the pipe?
Yeah.
I literally
I saw him too. I saw him too.
Oh, and then I see 1, 2.
Yep. Were they 3? Dude, is that a hook daddy?
It's a hook daddy, dude. Hang on.
Oh, no. Come on. What did I tell you last night? I said it last night, dude.
Why are none of us so happy right now? We just shot a monster.
Because we were like,
we're so high and then so low, dude. I thought
they didn't even call. I went, me and you were going.
Yeah, that's all we needed, dude. That's all we needed. Oh my gosh.
So we came in here. They were smacking their gums, as they do around here. I don't know what it is with this state, but it seems like they crawl out of the trees. So I don't even think they come out of eggs. Then when they're done, you know, they come up here. Oh boy, saw a butterball over there and saw, well, there's the dominant tom in this area. And took off. Look at that. Would you want to fight that? I sure don't. Then as he's running away, I took I would call it a Hail Mary, but it seems to be my regular shot nowadays. Then he flopped down here. We had no idea. And then we come and look, and he's been around the block once or twice. Probably been played with maybe once or twice. And he was smart, man. He was smart.
Not like you, though.
Never. No, dude. Are you kidding me?
There's a bunch of chucklers.
Just a bunch of chucklers.
Let's go chuckle one up.